Hey YouTubers, Lauren Bateman here, and in this video we're going to be going over how to create your actual YouTube channel. Alright, so I'm going to pop on into my YouTube settings here. So I know this video is for brand new YouTubers, but if you already have a channel and you're looking real quick where to find how to set up a new channel, is you would click on your little profile here. You would go down to settings and you would go to add or manage your YouTube channels, and very quickly you would click on create a channel so that you can create a brand new channel. But since this video is really for absolute beginners, I'm going to go and sign out of my channel and show you from scratch how to actually build a YouTube channel. So the first thing you want to do is you'll want to go to youtube.com and you're going to see there's this sign in button in the top right. If you don't have a Google account, I would highly recommend that right now you go and add. So I have use another account, but you're probably going to have something that says create account, but I have all these different accounts here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account, and I'm going to start from scratch so that my screen looks like yours. If you already have a Gmail account, you can fast forward in this video and I'll show you how to create the YouTube channel from YouTube. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to use another account and I'm going to go to create account down here, and you're going to be asked for myself to manage a business. I would recommend to manage a business. This way you can create a branded account. You'll have a few more options down the road. If you want to do it just for yourself, that's fine, but you do get a few additional options and features. So we're going to do to manage my business. All right, so we're going to create a new Gmail address here. All right, so my first name is going to be Lauren, and we're going to do last name Bateman Test account. My username will be Lauren Bateman Test. Let's see if that lets me do it. Okay, you can use letters, numbers, that's available. And then I'm going to put in a password, and you're going to go to next. And then it'll want you to fill in all your stuff, recovery, email, optional, your birthday, your gender. You click on next. It's going to say verify your phone number. It's going to send you a text, and you will have to enter the 6-digit verification code that Google is going to send you. Okay, so Google has sent me a verification. So it's going to be a G and some numbers. So we'll put that in, and then we're going to click verify, and then you're going to get more from your number. I'm just going to skip this for now. You guys can do those settings if you want to. You're going to review the privacy and terms. Click I agree, and then your account is all set. Do you want to set up a business profile? We're not going to go and set up a business profile right now because we want to get into YouTube. Hey YouTubers, hope you're enjoying this video so far. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This way you know when I release more videos in this series. So when you sign in, you'll see the main screen here for YouTube. If this is a current account that you're using, a Gmail address, you'll have a profile picture, but if this is a brand new account for you, you're just gonna have this little letter, which is probably the first letter of your first name. So what we're going to do is we're gonna click on that little icon there, and we're gonna go to create a channel, okay? And when you create a channel, your creator journey begins. Click get started. And then you can use your name or you can use a custom name. I would recommend using a custom name so that you can brand your account. You could just use your name, but let's put the channel name here. This is going to be Lauren Bateman Test. All right, just to show you guys how to do this. I understand I'm creating a Google account. Let's click create, and congratulations, your test account has been created. So what we're going to do now is just go through and fill out some of this information here. So upload a profile picture. So I would upload a picture. I'm going to search for some avatar photos of me. So I'm just going to upload this picture of me in the glasses, which I think looks pretty cool. Tell your viewers about your channel. This is where you tell your viewers about what your channel is going to be about. If you don't know that yet, you can leave this blank because I'm going to show you where to find this information later in this series. But you'll want to add in a channel description. What's the goal of your channel? What information are you going to be sharing with your viewers? What kind of content are you going to be creating? Next, you'll want to add links to your sites. Now, these will appear up in the banner as little icons. So if you're someone like me who is selling a course or has a website, I recommend putting your website in as the first icon, and then including some of your popular social media links like your Facebook page, your Twitter page, and your Instagram page. Again, if you don't have these yet, We will talk about how to set these up later, so you can always click up set up later. But for now, we're just going to do that and click save and continue since I uploaded the profile photo. So voila, we now have a new channel that's set up. You'll see my profile picture has been populated here. It hasn't populated quite yet here, so let's click on this little picture icon and you'll see that it's here. It just hasn't quite populated in the window yet. You just might need to hit that refresh. You will see here that the profile picture now has populated onto the channel. Now, if you made the wrong choice with your name and you ever need to go back in and rename your account, you can always go into your channel. You're going to click the blue Customize Channel button. You're going to click over to Basic Info, and you can always go and change this name and then publish it. That is your channel. It is all set up. What I'm going to do in the next video is talk about some branding things you can do, how we can use some free software to make our profile photos maybe look a little bit cooler, as well as how we can add a branded channel banner to our channel.